Alright, so let's see how you can install the Linux operating system on your computer. So first of all, you need to go to the website of your favorite Linux operating system. So in this case I'm at the Ubuntu website, and I've already downloaded the latest version of this operating system. So you also need to download the latest operating system, whichever is the latest. And after that you need to download the VirtualBox from this website called the Oracle VM VirtualBox. Here is the URL. You can see, click on downloads, Windows host, and I've already downloaded it, so I'm not going to download it again. So click open file, click next, keep it at the default locations, and click yes, install, and wait for it to finish. Alright, so now click finish. So after opening, you need to click new, and you can write the name as Ubuntu. Yeah, well, that's enough, and it will automatically select the version you are going to install and its type. Now select the select the IFC image that you downloaded it, that is in downloads, this one, click open, and the folders to install. You can change this folder, but I'm not going to change it right now. Click next, and you can change these passwords here if you want, and click next. You can modify the virtual machine's hardware by changing the amount of RAM and CPU count, so you can change the memory or the processors. So I'm going to change it to 4096, and CPU to maybe 4. Right, and click next. And this disk size, maybe I'll choose at 64 or maybe 32. And then now click next and finish. It will do some stuff. You can maximize and wait for it to do the task. Now it is going to install the operating system in the VirtualBox. Yeah, it will consume a lot of your hardware, the CPU usage, the memory, and a lot of other things. Click next and set up according to your needs. I'm just going to keeping everything at default. In this name I will write as Maxwell, and no password, and maybe write the password. write as next dollar. So now you need to click restart. And click on Maxwell, whatever your PC name was. And now it's ready to go. It's good for now. Yeah, click next. Finish. And it's done. You can do things in here now. You can click the browser, files, app center, everything.